Hello, it is me, Neville, aka Baba, and I'm here to make an appeal to each and every one of you. Please, tickets le lo yaar. Guys, buy the tickets. We are doing the second leg of the India tour. We're doing Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad क्या कर रहे हो आप? टिकट ही नहीं ले रहे हो. There is Chennai. There is Calcutta tickets coming. There is Bangalore. There's a Mumbai big show. So I think it's time that you should get these tickets, buy them. Also, Europe, Amsterdam, what's happening? So many of you put your name in that mailing list and we sent tickets. But guys, come on, खरीद लो यार, please. We're doing London, we're doing Amsterdam, Berlin की tickets आ रही हैं, Toronto, Vancouver, we're still trying. But also, I'm not in the episode because this was an episode that was shot a while back. And so I'm doing the cold open because the cold open is no longer relevant. But this cold open is to tell you, ki please like, share, subscribe, send this episode to different people, um, send the ticket link to different people, bring more people into the fold, but most importantly, get tickets. We're very excited to be coming. We're very excited to see you guys. And we're really hoping that you are excited to see us. So see you around. And in true fashion, let's begin the episode.
Hello and welcome to another episode of the Internet Set. So, a show we take random instant weird upset facts, festival and personal stories and we talk about it. And क्या बात करेंगे आज? बताइए दोस्त.
Guys, मेरे को एक बहुत interesting piece of news मिला है, which is this one dude. Okay, there was a flight, Indigo flight that was going from Mumbai to Varanasi, and after the flight took off, suddenly the people who are like taking care, the flight steward and everybody, they saw that there's a man standing at the back, which is very odd because you're supposed to sit there and peti बांध के रखना होता है. But this man was standing because there was no seat available and the flight was overbooked, and somehow they let him onto the flight and the flight took off with him standing like he is in a train.
Bro, if on a flight I do as much as this much now, there's a excuse me sir, please sit down. ये आदमी पूरा टाइम खड़ा है और किसी ने देखा नहीं. Nobody around him कि ये कौन है, चूतिया खड़ा क्यों है?
I think क्या हुआ है, all the flight staff ना, the crew was sitting at the front behind the pilot. तो उन लोग का जो भी जंप सीट्स होते हैं वहां पे था, और पीछे वो जो गैली एरिया जहाँ पे खाना वाना रखते हैं वहां पे कोई नहीं था टॉयलेट के पास, तो ये जाके वहां पे पीछे छुप गया.
No, you know what I think? I think people overlooked him because like there's always one guy who's always standing next to the toilet, just at any point, just waiting कि मैं जाऊंगा, आऊंगा, whatever. Like there's one full like thing that he keeps doing. He's always there. So I think they just mistook कि ठीक है बैठ जाएगा eventually. And then he just stood there the whole time. And then they were like, भाई साहब कुछ पेट में problem है कि सीट में problem?
See, but like like the crew missing him, I understand. He तो knew ना कि उसके पास सीट नहीं है.
अरे बट ही वांटेड टू गो ना, उसको वाराणसी जाना है, मतलब ही इज अज्यूमिंग कि अभी मेरे को उतार देंगे, तो इज लाइक मैं छुप जाता हूँ थोड़ी देर के लिए, और उसको बोल रहे सर प्लीज सिट डाउन प्लीज. तो ट्रेन की तरह ऐसे वो लोगों वो हैंड रेस्ट ऊपर करके थोड़ा थोड़ा एडजस्ट करके घुस रहा है. तीन से अरे तीन की सीट है, अरे नहीं चल कर लेंगे ना हम लोग.
दिस इज मुंबई लोकल फोर्थ सीट.
टॉयलेट में छुप जाता.
I mean, the thing that amazes me is, Thakur, we were talking about this. So when we were flying to Bangalore, right, it's just amazing how many times they check your boarding pass, check your ticket. Bro. Like there is, before they'll, before you enter the airport once, then at security check, then at
baggage first, तू
at baggage, correct.
फिर एंटर करने के लिए एक स्टैम्प, फिर सिक्योरिटी चेक पे एक वो भी चेक करता है. उसके बाद वहां से डोमेस्टिक जाने के लिए भी देखो एक और बार टैप करना पड़ता है.
Yeah.
फिर बोर्डिंग गेट पे, फिर एरो ब्रिज पे, उसके बाद भी एक बार तू अंदर भी घुसा, फिर भी पब्लिक देख रही है तेरे पास सीट है कि नहीं है. तो ये आदमी ये 9 ग्रेड्स ऑफ सिक्योरिटी पास करके आके खड़ा हो गया है.
Yeah, it's amazing. It's amazing that the flight has not told him कि sir, I think you are one extra. But the flight had
a boarding pass था, उसके पास boarding pass था. I think he was overbooked and the internal system might have just printed the boarding pass एंड इसको दे दिया होगा, इसने घर से प्रिंट आउट लेके आया होगा,
He
एंड दैट वाज
shows up.
इनफ.
He shows up on the plane and he's like, "Ma'am, why does my boarding pass say toilet? What is this seat?"
why is my seat belt tissue paper? Why is this
Why-
toilet?
Why is my seat number WC?
हाँ, well done. But एक और आदमी अमेरिका में भी था who decided he didn't have a ticket. So what he did was, जो लाइन में पब्लिक खड़े अपना बोर्डिंग पास पकड़ के, उसने स्लाइली अपना फोन लिया, उसका ऐसा फोटो निकाला उसके बोर्डिंग पास का, एंड वही क्यूआर कोड लेके फ्लाइट पे चढ़ गया. Except the flight, yeah, the flight just moved out and then they had to turn around and come back, like they didn't take off. And उसको अरेस्ट किया immediately.
Who are these dumbasses who are in the line at the loo standing with their boarding pass?
ऐसा सुसु का नहीं, लाइन में ऐसा
In America, where they fucking, when I had gone for my tour, they made me move aside, take my shoe, this off at like 9 out of the 14 airports I flew to. Excuse me, sir, please step aside. एक टाइम क्या मैं बोला, ले ले भाई, नहीं है मेरे पास कुछ भी.
At one point, Thakur is just stepping aside for no reason.
Yeah.
He's just like,
Then it becomes suspicious. I just step aside, do this. Sir, put your hands down. No. I'm asking you to just stop. Put your hands down. I don't have. Get down on the ground. No. But who are you here for? What are you here for? I'm a stand-up comedian.
Thakur has to do all the podcasts from Guantanamo Bay in one
Like-
orange jumpsuit.
Better internet, but I feel.
हाँ, it'll become JIS. Jail में said so. हाँ,
Jizz.
JIS.
Oh
JIS.
God.
JIS pod. Welcome to JIS podcast.
Moving swiftly on. Other, what else do you have?
अच्छा, so from boarding flights which you are not supposed to be on to boarding a flight which you are supposed to be on. एक आंटी थी एयर इंडिया के फ्लाइट में, उसने अपना विंडो ऐसे खोलने के लिए खींचा, तो
अच्छा,
कभी
to
कभी
put the-
हाँ, कभी कभी अटक जाता है ना, तो
हाँ।
जोर से खींचा उसने, तो
हाँ।
जोर से खींचा, पूरा विंडो बाहर आ गया है और फ्लाइट में अभी खड्डा है.
Yeah.
And she is panicking. And you know how, like, I understand, like, my mother is so scared about technology or things like that, कि कुछ होता है तो they blame themselves immediately. It's not like this wasn't supposed to happen. So she's crying and the air hostess is trying to explain to her how to put it back.
Wait, but the flight was mid-air on the ground.
Mid-air. It's
Mid-air?
mid-air.
अबे तो वो नहीं होता कि आंटी का सर ऐसे.
हाँ, तो the whole bloody cabin has lost pressure. They're trying to push it back into the bloody hole. The whole thing has come off.
और पुशिंग बैग भी बेचारी आंटी से करा रहे. वो ऑलरेडी मैम आप डालो, नहीं मुझे डालो, आप डालो.
Literally, बिचारी यार, मेरे को
She's
बहुत
like-
बुरा लगा.
विंडो कम आउट.
It just came off.
Fuck.
What is this? A Boeing flight?
Yeah, most.
Oh,
Yes.
good. That
Most
is.
likely.
By the way, I've been seeing some insane stuff. So कौतुक actually context दे देते पहले public को कि क्या हो रहा है
हाँ.
बम Boeing में.
So basically, what happened is that there's been a bunch of security lapses and like these kind of issues. Ki window nikal gaya, door nikal gaya. Like there's been a bunch of these.
दरवाजा खुल के वो फट गया ना. There was 2 like 737s
Yeah.
that crashed.
Yeah. So they've been having like a lot of issues. So basically, they started investigating. Now, when they started investigating, whistleblowers started coming out saying that, by the way, guys, this is no coincidence or anything. Like they have been doing lapses in a lot of processes. So they were like, even some of their, the testing they do on the plane, right, before they send it out.
Yeah.
Even the testing is very ऐसा
Lax.
काम चलाओ जुगाड़ू कि इक्विपमेंट नहीं है तो ऐसा टेक्नीशियन क्रेडिट कार्ड लेके डोर को टेस्ट कर रहा है अपना. like he's just doing makeshift things, right?
एक आंटी को बोल रहे थे खींच के देखो खींचता है क्या विंडो आती
निकलता है क्या?
So basically the thing went under litigation, and then what happened is that 2 whistleblowers have since passed away.
Oh.
And it's become extremely suspicious. Like, so it's become very, very suspicious. Boeing has obviously also, like, the company has taken a hit. And I mean, it's so sort of, how do I put it? It's just so blatant. Ki as
It's
soon
so
as the
Bollywood.
case, it's so Bollywood. Yeah.
ये खराब कंपनी है और इनके खिलाफ लोग खड़े हुए आवाज उठाने के लिए and they're going to go to court, but then they are found dead in mysterious circumstances.
It's exactly
God.
that. It's exactly that. Like, in fact, one guy had deposed. He was supposed to leave. The lawyers told him, "Ki, just stay back one more night." That night he dies.
Yeah.
So it's literally like there's not. They're not even being subtle. It is very like क्या
It's like
कर लोगे?
it's like everywhere they're being so unsettled that every after every murder they leave a little toy plane on the side, just like you know,
Oh,
like
fuck.
a mafia warning कि आवाज मत उठाना.
It's more like Airbus.
Bus.
Dude, at this point they're fucking up with so many of their planes that their flight safety features will completely change. In the event of, I'm sorry, in the eventuality of
A door coming
the
off.
door opening, there is a parachute that will come, jump off.
There are 2 exits ahead, 2 exits here, 2 exits behind. We'd recommend you use them now.
Yeah. Because they're already open.
Yeah, dude. It's like, I think Boeing is a low cost airline
Why?
कुछ तो हो गया.
because of the low cost they put on people's lives.
Wow. Dude, मैंने एक इंटरव्यू देखा था 2 बंदों का who are on the factory who are making the stuff and this is like some like news channel went in and they're asking them के ऐसे करके माइक वाइक पकड़ के sir what do you think like would you travel on a Boeing flight you're the engineer here and then बोलता है no I wouldn't तो उसके एक और दोस्त उसके दोस्त को पूछते हैं would you travel yes I would travel but I also have a death wish it's like what is
Bro, exactly. People are making so many jokes. So people are like, कि, Boeing is deadly not only in the air but also on the ground.
Yeah.
yeah
Like the commitment.
It's like you either die on a Boeing plane or live long enough to be killed by Boeing.
By Boeing.
Boeing
By Boeing. If you're a whistleblower.
So
That's
imagine like
insane, bro.
तू उसका बोइंग का फाइनेंसेस ऑडिट कर रहा है एंड तू देखता है कि एक्सक्यूज मी व्हाट इज दिस मिस्टीरियस पेमेंट
That's gone on the dark web.
it does not on the dark web it says paid to assassin. Can you please
it's
अरे नहीं
pretty
वो
clear.
No, Assassin
प्लेन
is
का
on
पार्ट
the
है यार.
dark web,
No,
but
no,
his
no.
fucking name is Assassin.
No, वो वीडियो गेम खरीदा हम लोग ने इट्स जस्ट वो क्रीड फिट नहीं हुआ
हाँ
उधर
सर, लेकिन ये वीडियो गेम के लिए आपने 5 करोड़ रुपए दिए हैं.
I made the new one the
Latest.
latest the one that's not released
Yeah. Only I have it.
yeah
It's very lifelike. Yeah.
yeah
Bro, by the way, speaking of planes na,
Hmm.
there's I was reading this article. So basically, this is an intersection point between planes and houses. Okay, and
Okay.
rent, basically.
हाँ
So there's a whole breed of people who have figured out that it is far cheaper to fly in from a remote area to say expensive cities like New York, etc. It's easier to fly in, cheaper to fly in from a different area than to rent in New York.
Hmm.
So there's a girl who was interning. So she's like, मैं किधर और रहती हूँ, कोई दूसरे स्टेट में रहती हूँ और मैं रोज सुबह फ्लाइट पकड़ के काम पे आती
रोज
yeah
हूँ. रोज.
और फिर
There's-
फ्लाइट पकड़े वापस जाए ना सोने के लिए,
वापस.
फिर अगले दिन वापस.
dude there is there are incidents in UK where it's like there are 2 friends so Adar and Varun so Adar lives in London Varun lives in Manchester it is easier for Adar and Varun to meet for a coffee in Spain and cheaper
Oh,
than Adar traveling to Manchester or Varun coming to London so they
wow.
both just fly down to Spain एक कॉफी पीते हैं थोड़ी देर के लिए बात करते हैं and fuck off back home
फिर थोड़ा टकीला तो पियेंगे ब्रो. मैं तो
हाँ.
ऑलरेडी स्पेन में आके तेरे को मिलके तेरे साथ कॉफी नहीं पी रहा. थोड़ा टकीला पियेंगे, थोड़ा पार्टी करेंगे, फिर जाएंगे
वो
वापस.
भी
There
सस्ता
was-
पड़ेगा
There was one guy who he was doing college in, I think he was doing college in New York. He used to fly in every day for school and then he used to sit and then
Wow.
bounce back.
oh
So
yeah,
then why are they even renting in that cheaper place? You fly, then you work, you fly back at a time where you have to just wait at the airport to catch the flight back.
करते भी होंगे यार.
हाँ.
Some days when you're pressed for time.
No, I think he lived at the school. The school mein there are showers and everything. So you can basically live around the school on campus in the library, stuff like that. And I think he was doing that.
What, you
So
can't live in the library? ये कौन से कॉलेज में बे? क्या
रहने
जब
देते.
सब उधर ही रहेंगे.
छुपके से रहने का पीछे कोई बुक शेल्फ के
और
पीछे.
सीधे लाइब्रेरी रहने के लिए देखो स्कूल में एडमिशन चाहिए. उधर के स्कूल के एडमिशन कितने महंगे होते हैं मालूम है?
It's insane. It's
No, so
insane.
this guy
It's
is
cheaper to live in a cheaper place, not go to school, get YouTube Premium. Then
Yeah.
but this is
It's
also
easy.
true. This is also true for Mumbai, right? Where people come from Ahmedabad by train every day.
what?
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't
Yeah,
know this,
yeah.
right?
Lot of people
literally.
Oh,
did
the
that.
bullet train.
No,
नहीं
not the
नहीं
bullet train.
before
This-
that before
Bani nahi
that
hai bullet train.
literally, like it's a whatever. Like they get on the train, work in
Yeah.
Bombay, and then go back. Like there's a lot of people who do this.
and the other way around
Gujarat,
also.
Gujarat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
जाते सुबह 4 बजे की ट्रेन पकड़ते
That's
they used to
crazy.
go work and then come back by 8 o'clock at night. It's insane.
Bro,
Yeah.
अगर हाइपर लूप आ गया तो मैं भी यही केस फिर किधर मैं कोई एकदम
ऐसी फॉर नो रीजन अहमदाबाद जा रहे हैं काम करने के लिए वो उसने लेकिन
नहीं,
तेरे को
मतलब मैं
अंधेरी
रहूंगा
में
कि अगर
मीटिंग है
ऐसे कोंकण कोस्ट पे रह लूंगा एक जो इधर का रेंट उसमें उधर भैंसचोद मेरे को 1 एकड़ मिल जाएगा शायद उधर रहेश हाइपर लूप
अरे पब्लिक वही कर रहा है ना लिटरली लाइक इन अलीबाग दे आर जस्ट
Hmm.
वेटिंग फॉर वन ब्रिज टू बी बिल्ट द
Yeah.
डे दैट ब्रिज कम्स
रो
no but the thing is that bridge will take out the whole getting on a boat all of that nonsense it's just a
Hmm.
straight bridge so people are like invest in Alibag now क्योंकि अभी तो खरीदेगा वो ब्रिज आएगा तो फट जाएगा
One second, are they really making a bridge from Bombay to Alibag? It's impossible.
Alibag or mud sorry my bad
mud
mud
हाँ
अलीबाग इम्पॉसिबल है भाई तू किधर का ये
अरे।
कौन टेक्नोलॉजी है मुझे मेरे को भी चाहिए मड में है मड इज
Yeah.
लाइक नो पीपल नॉट इन बॉम्बे इट्स लिटरली कितना है 1 किलोमीटर का भी डिस्टेंस नहीं है अगर तू बोट पे जाएगा
Yeah.
छोटे जो उन लोग के ट्रॉलर टाइप नॉट ट्रॉलर बट they
Hmm.
have another boat I call the James Bond boat because that you don't pay 2 rupees for, you pay 10 rupees for.
yeah
It is slightly sturdier because every time I go to mud, my recurring nightmare is मैं गिर जाएगा ये पानी में for some reason. Because once I'm not kidding, bro, that water is black. ठीक है, and somehow I see fishing nets. I'm like मैं ये मच्छी खा रहा हूँ क्या रोज?
yes
हाँ तो मैं मड पे बहुत शूट्स होते हैं राइट तो शूट खत्म करके वापस आ रहा था एक दिन एंड दिस इज लाइक लेट आफ्टरनून अर्ली इवनिंग इश एंड सडनली मेरे को वो पानी में देख के वापस रिकरिंग थॉट आ रहा है ऐसे ब्लू ब्लू गिर जाऊंगा मैं पानी में मैं कुछ म्यूटेट होके कुछ और बन के बाहर निकलूंगा बट आई एम नॉट किडिंग आई सी फकिंग बबल्स एंड आई सी सम मूवमेंट टुवर्ड्स बिकॉज़ वी आर जस्ट अबाउट टू रीच व्हाट द फक इज दैट एंड आई फॉलो इट ब्लू 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 और ब्रो एक कुत्ता निकलता है
the last thing
just a dog came out and
Thakur, it was a frog when it went in.
yeah it mutated into a dog
Bro, I'm not kidding. A dog just came out, and because it's like it's black, the dog's original color isn't that. I'm pretty sure he was like white or brown, chocolate, or wo aa gaya with like a layer of
मिट्टी हाँ
Nayak.
mud he's a layer of mud he's covered in
नारद में
mud
ऐसा करता ना फिर मैं कुत्ता I'm like fuck bro ये अभी खतरनाक वो हाउंड्स ऑफ बास्केटबॉल होने वाला है इसके साथ और ये सब सात बंगला में सब पब्लिक को अरे मोती क्या हुआ तुझे पानी में क्या लगता है मोती और मोती अभी गोचिला बन के निकला है
god damn
बट हाँ यू नो कौन रहता है मड में मिथुन
Oh, really?
हाँ मिथुन
Yeah,
मड में रहता है
अच्छा तो पहले से इन्वेस्ट किया
बहुत पहले 15 he was there before everybody else bro
before connectivity roads.
Yeah.
when it wasn't Mud Island it was just called Mud
Yeah, the island spelling is MADH.
yeah.
Hmm.
But dude, I've heard so many people. अभी मैं जब भी ऑस्ट्रेलिया गया था टूर पे तो उधर मेरे को कोई बोला था मेलबर्न में ठीक है रहना इतना महंगा है जो प्रमोटर था उसका एक दोस्त है वो रहता है एक बोट पे
Yeah.
ऐसा एक बोट है उधर
Houseboat.
हार्बर पे अबे हाउस बोट भी नहीं बोल सकते ब्रो उसके अंदर एक गद्दा एक टॉयलेट तो उसने बोला बहुत सस्ता है बिकॉज फॉर हिम टू टेक दैट पे द पार्किंग चार्जेस एट द
Harbour.
at the harbor and living there is much cheaper than going and getting an actual house on rent in an apartment condo whatever in Melbourne तो उधर रहे बोट में
हाँ
वो टेंशन ही नहीं है बोलता काम पे जाता है काम खत्म आके लेटेश सोएश
और बोट पे
बोट पे
dude it's insane
संडे को बोट लेके निकल जाता है पानी में फिर जाके चिली डिप मेरे को लगता है वो नहाता ही उधर ही है बोट लेके जाता है पानी में डुबकी मारता
डिनर के लिए सीधा
है।
आज
डिनर
dinner
के लिए मच्छी
वहां से कुत्ता बाहर आ रहा है ये कुत्ता यहाँ पे कैसे है अटैक Mud Island
वो मर गया है अभी
Mud Island dog in London
लंदन नहीं, मेलबर्न।
मेलबर्न, sorry.
वो
वो
साइड
कहाँ
चले
पहुंच
गए।
गए? Southern Hemisphere. So the thing is, like all these places is that so I've been like now because I've been renting there for so long now. We are obviously looking at rent इतना high है तो हम लोग EMI तो दे ही सकते हैं, तो might as well try to do that. Now there's something that we've gone educated about, which is called which is not in India. Okay, it is called a freehold property and a leasehold property.
Okay.
This is in UK. So freehold property is just like whatever how we buy a flat here and everything. A leasehold property is you buy the same property for the same amount of money, wo jo market price hai. But after 99 years or like 125 years, the property reverts back to the original owner.
Oh, but
So your children don't own the property anymore after 100
what is
years.
the advantage of it?
So अगर वरुण is the original owner of the property, उसने कौतुक को बेचा, कौतुक has the property for 99 years. After that, it will go back to Varun's family.
Correct. But am I getting it at cheaper or am I paying the same price?
No, same market price.
So why am I?
Why is this even a thing? Who are these dumb people who are like, yeah, let me do this?
No choice. Choices nahi hai. And a lot of times people are being swindled when they are actually saying yes, and जब paperwork सामने आता है तभी वहाँ पे लिखा हुआ this is a leasehold property.
Oh.
So it's almost like stealing money from people.
तो
and
उन्होंने ऐसे
fooling
कहा
them.
था ना, ब्रिटिश ने चाइना से हांगकांग ले लिया था ना 99 इयर्स के लिए, फिर
हाँ।
खत्म हो गया, अभी वापस दिए।
तो
लेकिन बाकी पब्लिक को नहीं जाने, बोले नहीं भाई हम लोग को चाइना नहीं चाहिए, सॉरी, गोइंग बैक।
This was leasehold property.
आपने कॉन्ट्रैक्ट क्यों नहीं चेक किया? अरे सर मुझे लगा आप ब्रिटिश हो, आप चुतिया बना जाओ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में, आपको कैसे चुतिया बनाएंगे?
हमने तो ट्रेन बनाया पे, अभी ट्रेन गया। God, it is so dumb, and I've been checking, like I talked to some friends who are in New York. It's like एक matchbox के लिए $3,000.
Oh
हाँ.
yeah.
You know, there's those squatting laws somebody was saying where अगर कोई स्क्वाटर आके तेरे घर में इन न्यूयॉर्क में या किधर कुछ तो है, ठीक है, because you know America has these fucking crazy ass laws where suddenly एक टाइम पे तू ओनर है, तू घर पे नहीं था, कोई उधर आके स्क्वाट करे तो तू उसको तेरे प्रॉपर्टी से निकाल नहीं सकता।
Yeah.
So there is some rule like that. I mean I don't know the exact nitty-gritties, but I remember Nikita telling me, I was like what the fuck, ये क्या है? तो मैं, तो चल फिर न्यूयॉर्क स्कॉटिश अपन किधर जाके अभी निकाल के देखा हमको।
Scottish.
But the
ऐसे करना पड़ेगा ब्रो, बॉम्बे भी बहुत महंगा हो रहा है।
one second. So
हो रहा है क्या, हो चुका है।
recently I saw a reel where this, so there's a lot of the real estate agents who are now doing reels.
रफीक
lot.
मर्चेंट,
Yeah.
बैंड्रा,
ये देखिए,
एकदम
ये
लावा।
घर, स्विमिंग पूल, फुल टॉयलेट, ये देखिए मास्टर बेडरूम में fully furnished toilet. It's insane the kind of stuff. Only asking price 5.5 crores.
I feel like
पागल है क्या? गोरेगांव में मैं 5.5 crore का घर लूंगा।
I feel like now if you get into the real estate market and you don't know how to make reels, तेरा chance ही नहीं है।
नहीं बिकेगा ही नहीं।
छोड़ ही दे अभी। So basically one of these reels popped up, okay, and this guy, like, from usually when you see a real estate reel, the guy is super excited no matter what it is. इस वाले में even this guy could not generate any enthusiasm, okay. He was like, it's a 2 BHK in Mumbai, 330 square feet. 330 square feet.
Sad.
Okay.
And you said 2 BHK?
2 BHK. Okay. So he says, he enters and he's like, this is the hall. But it's also the kitchen. It's also the kitchen. And then he says, ye hai bedroom. Ye hai dusra bedroom. I want to show you this toilet. He stands in the toilet. He's like, the benefit of this is that you can do 2 things at one time.
Oh God.
You can brush while you shower.
And you're sitting on the pot.
So that's 3 things at one time.
3 things. और
I want to know the price. Like I would, as a bachelor,
1 crore.
who's what?
1 crore? अच्छा तू बाय था, ये तू बाय था। हाँ।
Oh God.
1 crore. He's like, would you live in this house?
But no, not for that money. That money में काफी ढंग का घर मिल भी सकता है,
Oh my
ऐसा
God.
नहीं है।
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. I mean, like at this point,
No, but where is this 330 square feet for 1 crore in Cuff Parade?
Burley.
हाँ, Worli ना,
So-
ceiling वो सब होगा उधर,
So
coastal road
he's like, so the thing is that, na, ki, I think at this point, builders in Mumbai are just like, let's keep seeing how small we can make it and people will still buy.
How much sea do you need to see in order to call it sea facing? How many buildings can obstruct your sea view? If you can see 1 centimeter of sea, technically it's still sea view.
Dude, you know, even on Instagram, you get these. So, a lot of the architecture design firms and all that, right? They started putting your 3D renditions of what you can do with your room. So, they'll get the exact dimensions of it. और लोग 3D में दिखाते हैं कि तू कैसे optimally वो space को use कर सकता है. So, बेड को ऐसे wall bed लगा, so you can take it down. इसको ऐसे pull out कर तो तेरा वो ये बन जाता है. ऐसे सब दिखा रहे थे. So, न्यूयॉर्क में ऐसे ही कुछ तो था, 180 स्क्वायर फीट, 200 स्क्वायर फीट वाला कुछ. एक मतलब ब्रो मेरा डाइनिंग टेबल देखा तुम लोग ने, प्लस इतना घर है, क्या तुम इधर रहोगे? तो दे हैव डन 3D रेंडेशन ऑफ दैट आल्सो. तो ये एक स्ट्रेट एक 180 स्क्वायर फुट व्हाटएवर जगह में तू रह सकता है, और उन्होंने दिखाया है.
Bro, and the thing is,
देश लाइक हाँ हो जाए फिर जुदिए.
correct. But the reality of it is कि तू पूरा दिन अपना फर्नीचर ही हिलाता बैठेगा. कि तू बेड ऊपर कर रहा है, ये अंदर कर रहा है, सोफा को तू किचन में डाल रहा है. Like it's just literally that. It's your whole life.
सोफा
कहाँ सोफा? एक नीलकमल, 2 नीलकमल कुर्सी जिसको रस्सी से बांधा हुआ है, वो तेरा
में डाल रहा है. किचन इज वन हॉब. ठीक है, बर्तन दो, फिर बर्तन को दूसरे अंदर के बर्तन के ऊपर तो हॉब के ऊपर रख, वो तेरा कैबिनेट है. वैसा है.
मेरे एक दोस्त ने किया था, इज लाइक आई वांट अ सेफ स्पेस, आई वांट द सेकंड रूम टू बी लाइक, उसने पूरा अपना सेकंड रूम ऐसे किया, एंड वो बिस्तर वो वाला बना है, वो जो ऊपर नीचे जाता है ना, तो बना के रखा. So one day, okay, my friend's working out. They're working out. That bed almost falls on their head.
Oh, almost. मैं फिर डरा दिया.
अबे dude, almost like it's like ऐसा बचा है, like it's almost grazed their head and fallen. And it's like you realize that our carpenters are not used to this kind of stuff to do. Or like also हम लोग भी थोड़ा, we also cut corners ना, हम लोग भी उन लोग के ऊपर प्रेशर डालते हैं, जल्दी करो. And it's just we are not used to this. We have space and we should be like a little glad about it when we do. देख हमारा बिस्तर है.
I'll tell you, I found this one thing where they've shown craziest places that people have turned into their homes. Okay, either out of whatever lack of paisa or just because they're crazy. So there were these fans, most dedicated fans of Star Wars, who decided to pack up their entire life and make the fucking trek to the abandoned Skywalker residence in the desert of Tunisia.
Yeah.
Oh.
So they're living there because that set stood for about 18-20 years after the movie was done also. And it's in the desert in Tunisia. तो ये public सब बेच के पहुंच गए उधर और रह रहे, क्योंकि कास्ट क्रू तो है नहीं उधर, वो ऐसे ही पड़ा है. तो उन लोग अंदर जाके रहे.
Scottish.
15 odd small structures still standing around. So
वहां पे 10 साल बाद ऐसे डार्थ वेडर आ रहा है, बोल रहा है क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग?
You have to literally force them out.
Then there's one couple in Arizona who have taken a dumpster, तो ऐसे garbage dumpster जो आते हैं ना बाहर, उसको लेके $13,000 पूरा खर्चा करके they have turned it into a 2-person mini home. It's 176 square feet.
Wow. ये वही है ना. This is the exact same flat in Worli. Same.
Yeah.
This dumpster.
तो मैं तो वो 180 वाला, पर उसमें तो एक आदमी रह रहा था, इसमें कपल रह रहे. So उसमें अगर झगड़ा भी हो गया तो I hate you and then all they can do is
फिर भी पीठ टच हो रहा है.
किधर जाएंगे.
But I'm going out of the house. वो घर से बाहर जा रहा है तो भी ऐसे दोनों एक सेकंड थोड़ा. Even to get out of the house in anger.
Tell me something. Are we like, would it make financial sense to just buy 4 Innovas and fuse them together?
No, or you just get one like a camper van type जो US में चलता है bro. Mobile homes in the US is a big market
Yeah, yeah.
because they're like fuck it, उन लोग घर ले लेते हैं और फिर ड्राइव करते रहते हैं इधर भी
Vanity van.
आज मैं एरिजोना में, तू कल का आइडाहो में, अरे तू क्या, मैं वायोमिंग अभी, तू घूम रहे है।
नहीं,
Trump.
there's a guy who's actually in London who did this. Who bought land. तो उसने land खरीद लिया, but he didn't have the money to make the house. So he just
Oh.
got a dumpster, refurbished it, made it beautiful. He owns the land on which his dumpster is now. So he's got electricity, water, everything, but he's done it up like, oh, perfect. इससे ज़्यादा मेरे को चाहिए नहीं.
There was,
A lot of them do with shipping containers.
yeah, I
Yeah.
was just going to say that. I was just going to say that.
Shipping containers is a very popular thing. In Kabhi Alibag mein also now, when you land, you get off the Roro, you'll see a bunch of their office sort of things are made with containers.
I saw one, there was a show on Netflix where they used to remodel like unusual homes and things like that used to be got.
Hmm.
So basically, one guy had done exactly this. Like he got a shipping container in. वो shipping container में sliding door ऐसा डाल दिया एक
Hmm.
wall काट के, and then like he built one office, and it was the thing is, when you see these things now, like you were saying, Thakur, you sort of start getting convinced कि maybe I can also live in a shipping container, man. Like what is stopping me? Like and
बहुत
then you
बार.
and then you
But there's also that fun, right? Where when you were younger, did you guys ever do this? I had a full tent set. So I
Yeah,
would make like with the plastic attachments and all, to tent बना के उसके अंदर रह के अपने घर में अपने रूम के अंदर टेंट बना के उसके अंदर एक थोड़ा डाल के सोने में जो मजा आता था as kids.
I used to do this. I used to do this on a budget, where if we got a cardboard box big enough,
तू बिल्ली है basically.
मैं बिल्ली भी था, स्क्वाटर भी था एक साथ.
Dude, मैंने एक वीडियो देखा था with cats and boxes, dude. It's a man who's got those robot vacuum cleaners. उस पे उसने डब्बों को चिपकाया और डब्बों में बिल्लियों को डाला और उनके आगे ऐसे ट्यूब लगाया like tanks. And now the cats are fighting. It just looks like the cats are waging war on each other.
But
Okay, there's another house I saw
ah.
in Warsaw. Okay, now this is the house in Worli is a mansion compared to this. This is called a micro home in Carrot. It's called Carrot House in Warsaw.
Ah.
And it's squeezed between two buildings. कभी दो बिल्डिंग के बीच में एक गली निकलती है ना, तो उसमें इसने एक घर बना दिया है. And the widest point of this house is 36 inches.
Fuck.
Oh, it's a foot ruler, isn't it?
36 inches. 36 inches कितना होता है? एक सेकंड. 36 inches
That's-
into feet.
एक इंच जितना मानो अभी 36 बार कर.
That's 3 subways.
Yeah. It's 3 feet. Yeah.
3 foot long subways. Oh
Yeah.
shit. That's unbelievable.
3 फुट की जगह में रह रहा है तू. And it's long. So that means तेरा बेड का सर ये 3 feet में आएगा और बाकी में ऐसे लेट लेट
They're doing these things here also now. It used to be very popular abroad, where I think in Japan especially, where they used to call it pod hotels. Have you heard of this?
Yeah.
Where like the hotel room is literally a pod. Like it's the smallest possible space that they can give you, and it's like one bed, one little tiny space, and that's more or less charging points and shit like that. It's like a little cubby. तो
Yeah.
अभी इधर भी इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं सेम थिंग.
नहीं है, अंधेरी में है बहुत सारा. It's
Oh,
like
they
a lot of
already have
people who do like these overnight trips where they're stuck in like train stations and stuff. These are all around like train stations and stuff. But Japan has taken it to another level. It's
No,
not.
Japan trains. One of my favorite things to watch is going on YouTube and just watching videos of long distance Japanese train travel.
Yeah.
You get all types. You get your first class wala fancy one. You get budget, but it's just the way everything.
What do you like about it?
It's just so aesthetic. It's just so pleasing to the eye. Anything they do, anything.
तो जापान में एक और घर है. This is because we want daylight, natural light in the house. So this is a completely transparent house built in Tokyo. So you have zero privacy.
Wow, they should not throw stones at other people, I feel.
नहीं, it's plastic, तो कुछ होएगा नहीं. You can throw stones at
Oh, you
this
can throw
house and
stones.
nothing. Yeah, you can throw stones at this house as much as you want. But toilet भी see through, floors भी see through, सीढ़ियाँ भी see through,
Bro,
सब
this
कुछ.
So
this
talking
na
about
one
throwing
second,
stones at-
Thakur. I just want to talk about this one thing. Ki guts of people who have these see-through house, like French window house, all of that. Because I'm like, I've grown up here, right? Yeah.
Hmm.
No matter where you live in Bombay, if you have a ground floor house, na, immediately you have to, all your curtains are always drawn,
Yeah.
all your windows
Grills,
always shut,
grills,
grills are
grills.
double reinforced. क्योंकि public इतना है कि at any given point in time, there's three people who will just make it their
No,
whole
it's
day.
like, it's like every time you pass by a car that is parked, I do it at least. मैं एक बार देखेगा ना अपना रिफ्लेक्शन. वैसे अगर तू ग्राउंड फ्लोर हाउस में पास हो रहा है ना, नहीं नहीं करके भी
हाँ, क्या चल रहा है पब्लिक के लाइफ में?
क्यों
क्या कर रहे हैं?
इससे इजी ऐसे ऊपर तू फर्स्ट फ्लोर है ग्राउंड फ्लोर चल चलते ऐसा हो ही जाता
होता ही है and
हाँ.
this is true. Same thing has happened to me. I've passed by ground floor house, TV was on. I don't know why. It's not no business of mine.
टीवी
I just gotta see क्या
स्कोर
देख रहे
देखते थे अगर मैच चल
क्या
रहा है
देख-
मैं बता दे स्कोर
ये घर की व्यूअरशिप क्या है?
हो. How can you live like that, dude? I don't get it. I really don't get it.
By the way, you're talking about throwing stones at houses, right? There's a place called the Casa do Peñedo, right? It's called the Stone House, which is basically you have two massive boulders. ठीक है, ये दो massive boulder, उसके बीच में इतना जगह है. तो उन्होंने उसके सामने भी stones को डाल के, उसके अंदर विंडो डाल के एक घर बना दिया, which is literally between two giant rocks.
Between a rock and a hard place.
Yeah. You can throw glass at this house. There is also a stone house, which is exactly a replica of the Flintstones house
Oh,
in California.
wonderful.
तो जब भी हस्बैंड घर पे आता है उसकी गाड़ी भी वैसी. आई होप हिज कार इज आल्सो द सेम कि वो पैर से चलाना पड़ता है उसको.
Bro, by the way, there is one is a mobile home. The second is a home that is mobile. So what this guy did is he took a regular car, not even a camper or anything. He took a regular car and he built a wooden framework of a house on his car.
हाँ,
तो वो हाईवे पे ऐसे तू साइड में देखेगा ना तो इट्स
जैसे घर जाते हुए देख रहा है.
घर जा रहा है तेरे
Oh
पास.
God.
And it's a fully functional car plus house plus
Yeah.
what the fuck.
I saw this one picture also, dude. Again, these big boulders, right? So in a lot of areas in the US, you have these massive rock formations. So one of the rocks is sort of chipped. So it's giving a natural shade. ये rock है इधर, ये part protrudes out और इधर chipped है. So इधर देखो shade है. तो एक बंदा अभी इधर रहता है. कपड़े सुखा रहा है, गैस पे बर्नर वर्नर रख के एक, बिकॉज दैट पार्ट इज ऑलवेज दैट शेड. और सुबह को जब लाइट आती है तब वो तो बंद कर देता है. उसने एक कर्टन भी बनाया. वाह ब्रो. ऐसे
How simple is it to just live? Like कभी कभी ऐसा होता है ना तुम लोग के
Yeah.
दिमाग में आता है कि हाँ मैं रह लूंगा if the opportunity presents itself.
But I can't.
I can live off the land and the rock.
Bro, I can go there as like a change in vibe कि चल मैं थक गया हूँ बिल्डिंग में रह के, अभी एक रॉक के नीचे रहता हूँ या फिर रॉक के बीच में रहता हूँ या कुछ
वहाँ पे शाम को
घर लेके घूम रहा हूँ अपना.
शाम को एक भालू आ रहा है तेरे से मिलने के लिए, उसके भालू के साथ वो बारबेक्यू कर रहा है.
मेरे को चाहिए.
Dude, I'd be dead within 2 weeks, 100%. And 2 weeks is a very
And not by an animal
There is-
attack. It's just like it's just Kautu couldn't figure out how to eat.
damn it. इधर नहीं है जवार पफ, अभी क्या करूं?
Yeah.
बट देखो मालूम है मैं ना अगर कभी बूढ़ा, अगर नहीं जब बूढ़ा होऊंगा तो I will do this. I thought I should do what this old couple has done. Okay, basically an old couple didn't want to pay for like pay to be in an old age home because old age homes in America especially fucking expensive, right? So they're like fuck it, इतना पैसा उधर क्यों भरे? They just book cruise ships. So actually just they do cruise ship after cruise ship after cruise ship after cruise ship.
And it works out to be similar.
Cheaper. It works out to be cheaper. They get sun, they're out there, there's people around and उन लोग एक क्रूज खत्म होता है दूसरा लेते हैं, दूसरा खत्म होता है तो पूरा एक साल उन लोग ने अभी तक ऐसा निकाला है, and the money they spent on buying the cruise ship tickets ends up being cheaper than getting a full service old age home.
That is
Yeah.
fun. That is fun.
I
That
would
is a
do that in my हाँ because खाने का टेंशन नहीं है, रहने का टेंशन नहीं है, जिम भी है, शाम को एंटरटेनमेंट भी हो रहा है, and
and you're living the last part of your life as a pirate fully.
yeah,
Yeah.
So
Either you
foreign
live like
water.
one or you'll get abducted by one. Either or, there's
Yeah.
adventure.
but
They-
the other thing is that na कि तेरे like meaning it'll be so weird for them when at some point they have to come back on land. ये हिलता नहीं है क्या?
ऐसा क्यों है, सब नॉर्मल क्यों चल रहे हैं यहाँ पे? हाँ, so there's this guy called Lacey Stoley. Okay, he's a 17-year-old German kid.
एक minute. Did he steal somebody's laces? Okay.
Lacey Stoley. That's what he does. And he's been living on the Deutsche Bahn rail car.
What?
Deutsche Bahn. Deutsche Bahn.
Deutsche Bahn? Deutsche.
Doshe Band, you know the
Deutsche Bahn.
if you take a right
Doshe
now
Bahn.
out
हाँ.
Doshe Band.
Deutsche Bahn. Deutsche Bahn sounds like 200 arrows. He lives from the Deutsche Bahn.
Deutsche Bahn. So
हाँ, तो?
he's been living on this rail car in Germany and been riding the train yearly for the unlimited ticket price of $10,000. So he's been named the train squatter. But are you a squatter if you're giving $10,000 a year to ride the train?
That's
One second.
amazing.
Explain this. This guy just lives on one train.
Yeah, so he lives on that same train ka matlab, yeah, so he's got the annual unlimited pass, first class pass that he just uses to travel. So he travels an average of 600 kilometers a day because वो laptop लेके जाता है, train पे Wi-Fi है,
Oh,
he
he's
continues
doing
working.
work from train.
Yeah, he's work from train.
You can only do this in a place like Germany होगा ना, ये Deutsche Bahn मतलब Germany
Germany, हाँ, तो between
होगा.
Germany
They
and
at least
Europe,
उनको
he just
internet
keeps-
internet सब करके रखा होगा proper.
Yeah.
Oh, these are the things, right? You can commit to if you don't have a wife, kids.
Yeah, 17 साल का है. और also no, first of all, the electricity नहीं भर रहा है. You're not paying any other kind of like tax and
तो
stuff like
कौतुक
that. So
मुझे
he's just-
बता, अगर सिद्धि और हीरा नहीं होते, तू क्या शताब्दी पे कर रहा है क्या ये?
शताब्दी पे नहीं कर.
But I would consider like
Mobile home.
yeah, or like for example, a lot of my friends like they did like this. We realized once we got Begu, right? Any kind of like addition like that in your life, it adds one stability to your life,
Yes.
right? That you can't shake off. So, for example, in the pandemic, a lot of people were doing this. We'll move to Goa for a year. We'll move to Himachal for a year. All of that stuff, right? And we considered it, and then we were like, oh, it's too much of a. Where will we move with cat and like just basically we realized that we're getting more and more like stable. So I think like if I was younger, didn't have these things, I would have probably liked to do this, but now cannot. And now I don't even have the inclination to do it.
But
Like I'm
still,
like,
just
Is
to
it
be on a
exciting?
train the whole time, all your friends are only TCs. And they're like,
Yeah.
ticket दिखाओ. Ticket.
I would like to do like a extended road trip. That for sure. I don't know. I can't live on a train for sure. वो तो नहीं होएगा. And plus like अपना the train का facilities apart from like the meaning तू कभी ट्रेन के बाथरूम में गया है और फिर
नहीं.
और फिर तू बोला है छोड़ अभी
I've
मैं
held. I've almost got like I've damaged my
You
system.
need to have a special core strength to be able to do anything in अपना
yeah
शताब्दी और वो दूसरा कौन सा है राजधानी ये वो उसके
Yeah.
स्लीपर मैं कभी वो उसमें गया कि नहीं बट हियर्स द थिंग देयर वाज
First class.
चार्म ऑफ ट्रेन ट्रैवल लाइक बचपन में बहुत मजा आता था इवन दो ऑल ऑफ द टॉयलेट तेरा खराब है ये खराब है वो खराब है देयर वाज सम वियर्ड जॉय इन जस्ट बीइंग ऑन ट्रेन्स
Dude, the thing is, the greatest joy of my life was pulling the chain. I have pulled the chain once in my life. And it was a genuine reason. Okay, we were going to shoot some indie film shoot करने जा रहे थे and we had a very low budget. So and you could not shoot without your sound guy, your main sound recordist. Now he's missed the train from like one station. अब वो भाग के रिक्शा टैक्सी करके अगले स्टेशन पे पहुंच रहा है before the train reaches there. अभी if he doesn't, we are on the phone with him. And we're talking to him, देखिए अब तू कितना दूर है, कितना दूर है, अगर कुछ हुआ we'll give you a 10-minute grace by pulling the this. Now the train has moved and I get the call, pull it, and I pull the damn thing. Now we've stopped and this guy still misses the train.
Oh,
वो प्लेटफॉर्म पे उतर नहीं पाया with his gear. But one thing I found out, they don't know what seat pulls the train. They just know what carriage pulls the train.
so then someone has to snitch on you.
Yes. So you're relying on the fact that someone will snitch, and nobody in the compartment snitched on us. But they were like, "पैसे देने पड़ेंगे." The guy comes over and is like, "You have to pay the fine." It's like, "Yes, the fine will be paid," but nobody snitched on us.
You know what this reminds me of? This gives me that same energy whether TC comes into the compartment and he says, "किसने खींचा?" And then nobody says anything. And then he's like, "अगर कोई बोला नहीं तो सबको भरना पड़ेगा." You know that
हाँ.
if you know when the teacher comes to the class, who was talking? If no one says, then everyone gets punished. Then reluctantly one was, he was talking, ma'am.
I remember like पहले बचपन में तो obviously we used to go on trains a lot, but when we were in college, second year BM हम लोग का trip था, we had gone to Kerala. So on the way back, I don't know who the fuck booked the trains, but the return journey was 46 hours.
From where to where?
From Kerala
तू
to
चाइना से
Bombay.
जा रहा था क्या?
नहीं, उधर ही उन लोग नीचे कुछ इधर उधर कुछ तो करके पता नहीं कहाँ से लेके जा रहे हैं 46 hours or
Via
something.
Kolkata.
तो थोड़े पब्लिक fuck it, हेलो पापा प्लीज बुक अ फ्लाइट ठीक है हम लोग बाकी सब मिडिल क्लास पब्लिक नहीं ट्रेन में मजा आता है, लेट्स गो बाय ट्रेन. बट माय लॉन्गेस्ट हैज बीन व्हाटएवर ओवरनाइट 15 hours, 16 hours. आई थिंक खींच काच के 20 गया होगा. 40 प्लस आवर्स तो कभी लाइफ में नहीं गया ब्रो ट्रेन में. डूड आई स्टिल डोंट नो हाउ वी डिड इट. एक टाइम के बाद सब लोग बिस्लरी खरीद के बिस्लरी से नहा रहे बिकॉज the loo has gone for a toss. But there's something about being at that age. तू यंग है फिर भी निकल जाता है. All your friends are there around you, so मस्ती में निकल जाता है. But damn, उसके बाद मैं इंडिया में ट्रेन में आई थिंक बहुत सालों से नहीं गया. I haven't.
I did a
I think
recent.
my last train was when we were going for a play to Delhi, and all of us woke up with rat bites on our feet.
Rat bites.
Yeah, so छोटा चूहा हुआ आ गया था तो good. Luckily we had kept our head against the window. तो जहाँ पे भी पैर थे जिन लोग के सब काट के गया था चूहा.
लकीली नहीं आता क्योंकि आधे लोग का पैर में चूहा काटा है और इधर से चेन भी निकल गया.
Shit.
मालूम पड़ा दोनों सेम चीज नहीं किया है.
चूहा चोर है साला.
चूहा गले में चेन पकड़ जा रहे क्या भाई.
एक सिगरेट भी पी रहा है चूहा बाद में. चल निकल मेरा ट्रेन में आता है.
Oh, by the way, so there's one other thing related to houses. So in China, there is a phenomena called nail houses. Okay, have you guys heard of this?
Male houses or female houses?
No, nail.
Nail. अच्छा किले पे घर है.
NAIL. No, so basically these houses. So here's what happened. Chinese government took a decision to develop an area. Okay, now that meant that houses had to be removed for infrastructure, road, वगैरह वगैरह. So these houses were basically houses of people who refused to yield. Okay, so they were, so basically it's so surreal, bizarre, dystopian, and so weird because you'll see a picture of this. Okay, there's a 4-lane highway. One lane, right? Except 2 lane के बीच में एक घर है. Okay, क्योंकि that person has refused to leave.
Hey, I've seen this. Yeah.
So they've just developed all around them and they've left the house. So now this guy lives in the middle of an highway.
घर से कैसे निकलता है? How does he join the highway? How does he go? Like
No. In fact, this is a benefit, na कि it is 2 minutes commute.
2 minutes commute from the highway.
Yeah.
You can walk to the
थोड़ा
highway.
एक होगा ना एंट्री पॉइंट कैसे दिखता है कोई आ रहा नहीं है तो निकल जाए.
अच्छा, would you? And this is China again. I don't know why China does this. Like it's like
चाइना के पास सब कुछ है भाई. They have everything. तू जो बोल फैक्ट तेरा मंकी फैक्ट कैसे होता है कुछ भी चीज में तू मंकी कोई भी फैक्ट में चाइना को घुसा सकते हैं उनके पास.
would you guys ever live in a mall?
What?
Would you
No.
guys ever live in a mall? But technically think about it. खाना easily available है, shopping भी है, सब कुछ है.
अबे तो मैं क्या वाव मोमोज खाऊं क्या जिंदगी भर?
नहीं, but it's okay. What about on top of a mall? In 2013,
हाँ.
China built 25 luxury houses, like proper multi-story homes, on top of a local shopping mall.
Oh wow. Meaning, so these luxury homes are like what?
Proper घर जो mansion types होते हैं,
On a mall.
on top of a mall. So it's
मॉल
like
में नीचे नीचे क्या मिल रहा है? नीचे लग्जरी वाले मिल रहे हैं कि कोई तेरे नॉर्मल कपड़े मिल रहे हैं?
local.
सेंस कि तू ऐसे लग्जरी मॉल के ऊपर लग्जरी रेजिडेंसेस बनाए तो पब्लिक अरे चल मैं एलवी नीचे ये मैं जाके शॉपिंग करती हूँ, ऐसा कि नीचे तेरे को तू रह रहा माउंटेन में फिर
Or
नीचे
DMart.
हाँ मोमोज डीमार्ट
I doubt China में actual LV का mall होएगा, but
नकली वीएल.
VL.
I'm sure there's also people who like, I'm sure there's people who live in the mall.
Yeah.
I'm sure there's like one guy somewhere in the world who lives in a mall, who just like happens to like like in the day he looks like a customer and then वो जाता ही नहीं है.
Dude, I've known people who lived at hotels, like really rich people who you end
हाँ.
up meeting as like, हाँ, this guy is a producer, हम उसको script pitch करने जा रहे हैं. कहाँ जा रहे हैं? अच्छा, होटल में जा रहे हैं. तो होटल में जा रहे हैं तो हम रुके कॉफी शॉप में. उसने नहीं, उनके रूम में जाओ. तो रूम इज the hotel has built the room for him because शुरू से ही उसने बोला था मैं ये रूम constantly rent करूंगा.
Wow.
Bro, now I remembered. Like there was that squatting rule thing I was telling you about in New York. I now remember where I had heard it. So there was a story of this dude who lived in a hotel. ठीक है, वो गया होटल में और उसने बहुत टाइम तक मालूम है कितने बार पैसे वैसे नहीं थे, but you continued staying and all of that. And he
Yeah.
got found out or some shit. Again, this is back in the day. अभी नहीं, अभी मालूम पड़ जाता. थोड़ा टाइम पहले की बात है. Now it had been such a long time that suddenly फिर उसको जब भी पकड़ा उसको बोला निकालना है कि भाई तुमको भी निकालना पड़ेगा. बट उसने काउंटर सू किया होटल को बिकॉज दे फाउंड दिस लूप होल in the renting system or whatever, that if X and so has been living in a specific place which comes under the jurisdiction where this specific squatting law is applicable, has lived there for X amount of time, you can't take him out. He in turn becomes owner of the place. ऐसा कुछ
Yeah. It's called the adverse
Exactly.
possession law. It's called the adverse possession law, and it is part of the Indian legal system as well. So if there is a person, a trespasser or a stranger is living in a property for uninterrupted for a period of 12 to 30 years consecutively,
Oh no,
then
no.
he can classify as ownership. It's Article 65 of Limitations Act. ये है, इंडिया में भी है. तू स्कॉटिश इंडिया में भी कर सकता है ठाकुर.
लेकिन 30 साल से स्कॉटिश अलग है ना, ये तो रूम में इतना टाइम नहीं था. ये कम टाइम था.
So 1 second. So this guy he checks into a hotel and after a while he's like ये होटल मेरा है.
होटल नहीं, वो रूम.
वो रूम मेरा है.
हाँ,
Hmm.
रूम मेरा है बिकॉज ऑफ फाइंडिंग सम लूप होल in the what do you call it, the property ownership laws etc. तो उस पे देखो मालूम है ना, ऐसे इधर भी होता है. जैसे मेरे दोस्त का एक पगड़ी सिस्टम करके एक है.
Yeah.
So like my friend, उसके बिल्डिंग में दो रूम पे, 2 फ्लोर पे, there are people who are paying rent that they used to pay in the 50s.
Yeah, inflation doesn't affect it.
Oh,
तो वो ऐसे 12 रुपया दे रहे हैं, ऐसे है.
And they stay in like
जूहू में सी फेसिंग.
sea facing.
सी फेसिंग जूहू में 12 रुपया,
Bro,
25 रुपया.
Girgaon,
2
Chowpatty, all of these places, like there's a lot of these where premium prime locality with sea view with like Girgaon, Chowpatty at your doorstep और तू
So
100 रुपए दे रहा
लैंडलॉर्ड वहां पे बोल रहा है प्लीज ये साल रेंट डबल करते ना प्लीज, 24 रुपए दे दो प्लीज.
है. नहीं, an
नहीं.
agreement is an agreement.
डबल रेंट कैसे मांग सकते हो तुम?
एक तो
मेरे
तुम
पास
amenities
इतना मैं
देते
कहाँ
नहीं
से
है.
लाऊंगा 12 और रुपए? फक यार, अपने टाइम में क्यों नहीं है कुछ पगड़ी सिस्टम ऐसे कुछ? मुझे भी 12 रुपए देने सी फेसिंग बांद्रा में. बट देख, अभी हम लोग ने अगर कुछ लूप होल कर दिया ना तो हमारे बच्चों के बच्चों के बच्चों के बच्चों के बच्चों को शायद फायदा हो सकता है.
गुड.
ढूंढना
After
पड़ेगा
I'm dead and gone. After I'm dead and gone, I'd be glad that my great grandchildren.
एक्चुअली ना मैं कुछ नहीं करूंगा, मैं वो वाला तेरा जो लीज वाला प्रॉपर्टी वाला सीन है ना कि मैं एंजॉय किए, एक बार मैं गिल्टी तो किसी के लिए कुछ नहीं है, खुद अपने पैरों पे खड़े हो, बाय.
and then future generations of yours are finding boulders,
हाँ,
rocks, cave.
मैं पत्थर के पीछे रह रहा है शेड में.
मड आइलैंड जा रहे हैं. गोजिला.
कुछ
चलो, और कुछ है कि समाप्त करें एपिसोड?
समाप्त समाप्त
समाप्त. All right, समाप्ति की घोषणा आ चुकी है. That's the end of this episode of the Internet Set. So, guys, make sure you please like, share, subscribe, थोड़ा comment करो, engagement करो हमारे साथ भी, और जिससे तुम प्यार करते हो उसके साथ भी, थोड़ा vlogs के साथ भी engagement करो. And yeah, hope you guys like the episode. We'll see you again next week. Until then, it's goodbye. Take care. Tata. Salam ishq. अभी कुछ भी रेंट चल रहा है बे. मैं कुछ भी देखता हूं ना, 4 करोड़ रुपया. मतलब भाई क्यों, किस बात का ले रहे हो तुम पैसे? ये 2 महीने गारंटी, सिर्फ 4 करोड़ रुपए. तो
एक मेरे को एनिमल वाला घर मिला, which is there's a guy who's made a house in London where he's built a great white shark attacking the roof. So in the entire locality सबके normal row houses है, और इसका एक घर है जिसमें से एक great white shark का फाइबर ग्लास का पूरा पुतला निकला हुआ है.
But who is he fooling? Who has looked at his house? Oh, this shark attacker.
shit यार.
Oh shit! अरे,
Meg,
I hope
Meg 3.
Stuart is okay.